Another good tip you can do, and there's not many people around, there's no one behind you, test your brakes. See how good the ABS is. Well, ABS is going off. Super sensitive in this car. Honestly, I'm considering pulling the fuse for them. They're just too sensitive. At these low speeds, it's easier to just engine brake. Just lift up the gas, lightly ride the brake. Downshift if you can. I've got a manual, but even if you've got an automatic, you can use the low gear setting, or if you've got the numbers. Now, one thing a lot of people do is, say you get a little off course, they slam on the brakes. Driving in Connecticut once, some lady got a little wiggly on an exit ramp, slammed on her brakes, no ABS, she went right off the ramp. Of course, instinctively I hit the brakes, ABS was going off. Worthless in these conditions. And yeah, I decided to stop braking, steered around her, got out without a scratch. Let's try some ABS braking tests in the snow. Alright, so I'm going 25. I'm gonna just hit the brakes and see how long it takes to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not so good. Get up to 25 again. In this case, I'm going to try to threshold brake. If the ABS does go off, I'm going to lift and brake a little less. Alright, we're going 25. 25. Brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second faster. This time I'll try just a little bit of engine braking and a little bit of brake. So get up to 25. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Not better than plain ABS. So I'm going to get up to 30, and I'm just going to mash the brakes, let ABS go, and push in the clutch all the way. 30, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That wasn't so good. Next thing I'm going to try threshold braking. If the ABS does go off, I'm actually going to lift a little bit. I know they tell you you're not supposed to do this on wet or dry pavement. I wouldn't do this, but in the snow, I actually feel a lot better modulating that brake myself. Oh, there's the median. Getting it up to 30 here, so I'm going to downshift into second, and then start braking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 seconds. Not too shabby.